Okay, children, now we are taking few numericals, one or two numericals I am taking from the chapter light, which are based on laws of reflection, which I have taught you. Two mirrors meet at right angles. Two mirrors are there meeting at right angles. It means this angle is 90 degree. A ray of light is incident at one at an angle of 30 degree. This is an incident ray which is making an angle 30 degree with it. Angle of incidence for this first mirror is 30 degree as shown in figure. Draw the reflected ray from the second ray. Now second mirror. Now what we have to draw? We have to draw the reflected ray from the second mirror. Multiple reflection हो रहा है यहाँ पे, two time reflection हो रहा है. Once this ray will strike on this surface, I have drawn the figure here also on a paper. The ray of the incident ray of light is striking, suppose mirror 1, this is mirror 1 and this is 2. It is striking at an angle of 30 degree. Then obviously for this it will be reflecting, ऐसे नीचे आएगी reflect करती भी, and then again here it will strike this mirror and it will get reflected back. ठीक है, तो once the ray of light is falling on this first mirror and getting reflected back, then the reflected ray for the first mirror will act as the incident ray for the second mirror. See how. ठीक है, ये 30 डिग्री पे आई है, तो सपोज दिस रे इज ऑल्सो, दीज एंगल्स शुड लुक इक्वल. हाँ, अगर इक्वल मेरे नहीं भी दिख रहे हैं तो आप बनाइएगा, इक्वल दिख रहे हैं वैसे तो. दिस ऑल्सो शुड बी 30 डिग्री. सपोज ये देखिए आपका था, दिस रे ऑफ लाइट इज फॉलिंग ऑन फर्स्ट मिरर, स्ट्राइकिंग एट दिस पॉइंट एंड रिफ्लेक्टिंग बैक. रिफ्लेक्टिंग बैक मीन्स इट इज making the same angle here also. Angle of incidence, as angle of incidence we have equal to angle of reflection. So if this is 30, this also should be 30 degree. अब हमें ये बताना है that when it will be striking this mirror and it will be getting reflected back, what will be the angle of reflection. Suppose आपकी जो रे है कुछ ऐसे रिफ्लेक्ट हुई, ठीक है, तो आपको बताना है कि कितना इसका एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन होगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू सी, यू नो दैट दिस होल एंगल इज 90 डिग्री एज इट इज़ नॉर्मल. दिस इज़ नॉर्मल. सो वी जस्ट हैव टू ड्रॉ. हाँ, आपको लिखना कुछ नहीं है इसमें, तो लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. figure only we'll mark everything. This is normal. As it is 30 degree, this angle will be 90 minus 30, that means 60, because the whole is 90. So if a part is 30, the remaining part will be 90 minus 30, that is 60. And two mirrors are kept at right angles we are given, so this also is 90 degree. Then by angle sum property of triangle, we can find out this third angle. This angle will be again 30 degree. How? Because this is a triangle in which we know two angles. This is 90 degree, this is 60. So 90 plus 60 is 150. By angle sum property, third angle will be 180 minus 150, that is 30. Now we need to draw a normal at this point also. The point of incidence of second mirror is this. So at this also I have drawn a normal. As again it will be 90 degrees. So this angle will be 90 minus 30, that is 60. 90 minus 30, that is 60. And here also it will be 90 minus 30, that is 60 degree. This is 60 and this is also 60. तो यही आपको बताना था. उसने बोला था draw the angle of reflection for the second mirror. So this reflected ray of the first mirror has acted as incident ray for the second mirror, and this is the reflected ray. ठीक है, देन आपने ज्योमेट्री की हेल्प से ये एंगल क्या करा, यू हैव यूज ज्योमेट्री एज वेल एज यू हैव यूज एंगल्स ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. ठीक है, इसको हमने निकाला कि ये होल इज 90, तो 30 सब्ट्रैक्टेड बाय दैट will give 60. Then in this triangle we know two of the angles, so by ASP we have calculated third angle. Then again it is normal, so remaining portion will be 90 minus 30, that is 60. Then by again second law of reflection, it will be angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. That is why angle of reflection is also 60 degree. And children, remember, when you are suppose there is a question that you have to write laws of reflection, then you should write the laws of reflection in the same order as you are taught. First law will be written first, second law will be written. You cannot change you should not change the order. Okay, second law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and the other law that incident ray, normal and reflected ray lie in the same plane. That is the first law of reflection. तो आप इनका order change नहीं करोगे. All right, neither in your copy nor in your exams. Now one more example of this type I am taking. Somewhere I have written the question. question I have is, if the angle between the mirror and the incident ray is 30 degree, if the angle between the mirror and the incident ray is 30 degree, find the angle of reflection. So you may see here, I've drawn the figure already. This is a mirror. We are given the angle of incident, the angle between the incident ray and mirror. It means आपको क्या दिया हुआ है, ये ऊपर वाला एंगल दिया. अर्लियर आपको ऐसा कुछ दिया था, इंसिडेंट रे और नॉर्मल के बीच का एंगल दिया था, बट दिस टाइम दे आर गिविंग angle between the mirror and the incident ray. So this angle we are given. We have to find out angle of reflection. So for that purpose we need to draw a normal out here on that point of incidence. This is normal, ठीक है. Then this is the reflected ray. This is which ray? Reflected ray. We'll write angle between the mirror and the normal. Mirror and normal is 30 degree. As it is 90 degree, so this portion will be 90 minus 30, isn't it? So angle between, ये क्या था, एंगल बिटवीन द मिरर एंड द इंसिडेंट रे. नॉर्मल नहीं है यहाँ पे क्या है, 30 डिग्री इज द एंगल बिटवीन द मिरर एंड द इंसिडेंट रे. तो यहाँ पे आएगा एंगल बिटवीन द मिरर एंड इंसिडेंट रे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट एंगल बिटवीन द इंसिडेंट रे and the normal. That will be 90 degree minus 30 degree, that is 60 degree. Angle between incident ray and normal is known as angle of incidence. That is the I जिसको आप कहते हो, angle of incidence (60 degree) by the second law of reflection. By the second law of reflection, angle of reflection R is equal to I, that is angle of incidence, angle of incidence. So it will be 60 degree. This is 60, then this will also be automatically 60 because we have a relation that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Fine. So here we have done these examples. If you have any more queries, any other numerical you want me to help you in solving, you can send the image of that question or you can share your doubts. All right.